Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log into Amazon Kindle using the Amazon Kindle mobile application. So let's dive into the video right away. Start off by launching open Kindle application from your app drawer, which will directly take you to the sign-in page where you'll need to enter your credentials. To sign into your existing account, you will need to enter the email or phone number that is associated with your Amazon account. Go ahead and type in your email in the first text box, or you can also type in your mobile number. Once done, go to the next field and type in your Amazon password that you created while signing up for Amazon. After typing in the correct password, you can tap on the sign in button to log in. But if in case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password option at the top right and follow through the password reset process. Once you get hold of your password, you can type it in the password text box and tap on Sign in order to log into your Kindle application. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.